my like it. Oh, no, sir. What in your mammy? You got your catamammy from this year. You could do your hotel, Therefor now. Eh, you was a Kenya here, I would mean not to go back again. None of my money you can tell Saka. Oh, no, go he gave me. I won't want you know, but I come get Saka. On one on a placenta and one on a real for your potato. On Bengis, oh, my Zuba, hang with the respect of Edan. I need frufu. I go to Penmore and lick him on one. I'm going to come back. Can I come back? Let's go. Let's go. Happen when you do my can. Okay, okay. I always open and I go my bike. Bike, Paponio. Take my bag. I will go. Let's go. I did a I don't think that let's them are going home. Give me you want to pursue my about the number. I'm proud of you. If I must have mentioned Loti, they say to them. I think I name here and answer the dead way. I want I come my ticket. Let's go. If I don't put your mammy, only your mammy, or mammy cable, I don't know where me when I'm broke. Yeah. I think I like walking mammy, I don't got tell me, fire. What I have your mammy now? Mammy, what do you have with a spiritual? Let's go. Hold me hand. You're the mumba with the marker. I'm in the end of my New Year. It's a new year. Your mammy and I will come. Mamma, the mammy got get out of my own. I like home. I so much not that. You're up on the window. You're out. And you can get a me with that. Get on your bacon. You can't move. If I got some bad is going to your people. Oh, another man and I don't got commonly also. Let's go. What's that? I do my day. I'm not needing to get him. Oh, to come for Gapoka, Raku Fefe, Udele Fefe. And I want to come on. Allow them. I don't want. I know the problem of I don't know. Makambe sitting on Ghana. Your husband sick. Nobody came. I was the only person here. I was the only person taking care of you. Now your husband is no more. When they sugar for that, cause they shiver under pool, cause they sing capata. Every dome will never be a tender. I don't know about my family. I don't like it. You give me today. You put my pambeno. That's my happy go. She now poor because only here now. She will now poor no with the long. I will go come here go. We got some work go. Maybe the father let me know. I'm out of fun. She now poor. She might go when the money for you. Hey, oh, and here, Melegi. She naked now. How long now? How long?
Yeah, 9 months now.
9 months, child.
9 months.
Where have I been? What have I been doing? Why oughtn't I have seen you for over 9 months? Your husband left.
Chief.
Hey, and you have been alone. Did you have any child? No children.
No child.
Hey, I got to so economical. Maintaining you will not be so hard because there's no children. Other widows who didn't happen to me, and I think it's you alone. There's no issue now. What's that your beautiful name again? So, hey, your bag. Thank God. God is faithful. God is wonderful. Any woman.
So here him dinner. Ask someone. So this is the life you now live.
How?
Anya hula one you black and black. So why you will you black and black here go one.
Hey, Chief, kezi ihe na-eme.
You are astonished as the same way I am astonished.
Oh,
in fact,
astonished.
We are astonished.
Oh, you na apachakuru nwanya akpa.
Aka behind the conde penna. Take your bag.
Chief, jide na akpa, no kwa desi na ihe bururu m ya n'ụlọ.
That was what I said. Mana kita akpa anya mana ihe no na akpa kariziri m na. Ude akpa gị onye wala buru ihe ogu. Fear my dear. Fear my dear.
Ohuru nwanyị pawa akpa. Ohuru nwanyị jewe ozi. Ohuru nwanyị meheriwe. Okwe ni dị hụrụ m mgbe ọbụla ịhụrụ mụ na nwoke ahụ a na-agba gị chọn ebe ọbụla ịhụrụ m nwoke ga-etiwe lee ya anya hụrụ nwaanyị black and black.
Your mind is going offline. There's nothing between. It's just somebody that I saw her crying, weeping. That the destiny in her is.
The destiny in her. Kemgbe m matara onye nwe ịpatala m akpa before. Enweela mgbe ị parala m anyị chere ebe nwere mama biko chebe ekwu ụka.
Sorry.
Stop disturbing me. Because ị ma ihe nwoke a megana ntụ m.
Oh, ya ka m chọrọ ịjụ gị biko di gị ọ nwụrụ anwụ.
Di m nwụrụ na nwoke ya kụchiri m ihe. Ọ naghị ekwesị m zuru ike.
Chief, ihe ị na-arụ.
Mmadụ kele m ekele ya marịa.
Hey, Chief.
Unu need enyemaka.
Ihe ị na-arụ.
If somebody comes into your life to help you, always sing.
Onye ọbụla di ya nwụrụ enyi ichi gị nga nwa Chief. Echekwa m na iwu odogwu parara. Chief, amakwa m na iwu ọ dị egwu o. Hey!
Gịnị gị na-eme?
Mwa ọ dị egwu.
Nye m umbrella m biko.
Oh, iji kwuru ya umbrella.
Ashụgbakwa gị.
Njere megbukwe gị.
Ashụgbakwa gị.
Njere megbukwe gị.
Ipa akpa para umbrella.
Umbrella m say ọkwa enwa nọ na asị. I should leave you. Say you go kill me the way she go kill me the way she kill her husband. Say she's diabolical. Say she's a witch. Say she get to big eye. Nothing where you know talk.
Amamonye iwu.
Mmegona m mbụ. Do you know me?
Chief, itara akwụkwọ ka eze gị.
Hey! So emere ga anya hụrụ nwaanyị black and black. Let me go. Let today be the first and the last time we got home and mother gave us to onye ahụ onye. Any day me pro no onye. Onu ahụ ji wekwo ya gbapie. Ihe na-eme aga na okpoko nshi. Onye ahụ na nwaanyị black and black. Chia! Ihe ga-emegbuola m. Biko ma bụ
mgbochi ọsọ ị ga-ahụ m n'ụzọ. Mgbochi ọsọ ị ga-ahụ m n'ụzọ. Enyiwe ama m ị ga-atara ihe. Anything ị ga-ahụ m n'ụzọ. Si na ị na-abịa ịkpọtụrụ m. M ga-emegide adị. Ọkwa gị. Ihu ka ọdụ ozu
ndị isi mba abụọ chịrịkwa n'ụwa ka unu ga-agbakọta mkpe dị sie ike agwụ otu unu ga-esi gbakọta mkpe gbagbuo onwe ọnụ na mkpe stupid two isi goat m chọrọ inyere aka na ndụ somebody I want to help lekwa agbọbịa ka ike apachịchara apachi ma fọzie gị bịa na ntara ahụ n'isi gị anọ di gị kwagidere ụkwara ote kwagbuo onwe. If not for me, your husband would have died earlier before now. You say if I talk to you, don't worry, you go waka for road ote say you no waka again. Ma fa anọ ọhịa 9 months ka ị gbabere mkpe ya arịgote ị ga-agbakọta mkpe ote ike mkpa agwụgụ stupid idiots. N'ebe m na-aga